here I am, and it's Wednesday. It's ALDI Finds Day, and I'm heading inside now to see what goodies they have for us. It's freezing out here. I'm in New Jersey, and it's about 40 degrees, so I'm heading inside. See you there. As I headed in the door, I see lots of tins of popcorn, all different designs. Oh, that one's cute with all the puppies on it. And they are $6.85 for the tin. Well, these are nice. These are 12 cans of ginger ale, but they are cranberry ginger ale. And they're $4.39 for the 12 cans. I think I'm going to pick up one of those and put it away since I'm hosting Christmas. Here's some wooden Christmas porch signs, and they're reversible. These have Santa on them, and I think there's a saying on the back, $12.99. They still have both the gold, brass, and the black stocking holders, and it looks like they are a 2-pack. I saw them here last week. They're $19.99. Here they have, looks like a couple of different varieties of what they're calling the Hot Wheels track sets, and they are $24.99 each. Here they have the My First puzzle books, and they are $4.99, and you can see here the different characters they have. Here are what's called sensory packs. They have a couple of different kinds. That one says outer space. This says something about a glowing, and they are $6.99 each. Stretchy, cloudy clay. Here's Little People character toddler toys. And it looks like they each come in a set of 2. Looks like they have girls here, and girls and boys, and they are $4.99 for the pack of 2. Here are ladies, genuine suede or fur. I guess they have 2 different varieties of clogs, and they are, looks like in a tan color and black with the white trim, and they are $12.99 each. Looks like they have more they got in of the ladies' holiday pajamas. You can see on the box they have 3 different colors and styles, sizes small to extra large, and they are $12.99 a pair. Here they have harness jackets for the doggies, and they look like they have sizes extra small to extra large, and I think they come in like the red, blue, and then there's like a, you can see on the box, like a black and a khaki color, and they're $12.99. I'm thinking of getting one for Cinnamon because it's very cold out, and I hate to even take her out there for a walk without something on her. So I'm gonna go check those out. It says they're fashionable and features a harness with a leash loop and a zipper closure. Like I said, you have to get here early. You snooze, you lose. They don't have Cinnamon size. I'll have to get it somewhere else. All right, they have here Merry Moments outdoor mats, and they have 2 sizes and different designs. This is the big one. It's a car. This is 24 by 36, and it's $9.99. And then as we move down, they're sliding down, but they do have other ones that are smaller for $7.99. It looks like they had a box of children's winter gloves or mittens, but you snooze, you lose. There's only 1 pair left. They actually were, I believe, $4.99 a pair, and they were size extra small to large. but there's only one left. They have toddler character cozy boots for $12.99. I'm not going to take them out of the box, but they do show you on here the ones they have. It looks like they have Frozen, Minnie Mouse, Spider-Man, and Paw Patrol. Sizes 8 to 12. There's plenty of those still left. They have 2 packs of both ladies and men's holiday socks. They are $1.99 for the 2-pack, and they do show you on the box here the different designs they come in, and some of them are plain and some of them are those fuzzy socks. So that's not bad at all for $1.99. Here are children's character puffer jackets for $14.99. They have Frozen, Paw Patrol, and I believe I see Spider-Man under there, but there aren't too many left. Here they have indoor or outdoor timers for $7.99. I was just thinking that would be good if you wanted to put your Christmas tree on a timer. Here they have a variety of 4-foot inflatables. It says zip up the inflatable, plug in the inflatable, and allow to inflate. And it looks like they have a tree. Down there is a reindeer, a snowman, a penguin, and a gingerbread boy, and those are $12.99. Here are cable hooks. It says Easy Home Decorating Hooks, and they are 8-pack for $4.99. Here is a 2-pack of metal gingerbread boys. It says metal gingerbread figurines by Merry Moments, and they are $39.99. They're big and they're nice. Here's boxes of multicolor icicle lights, and they are $14.99 for the box. Here are Merry Moments LED spiral trees. Looks like you get 2 of them in a box, and they are $19.99 for the box. Here they have holiday ice cubes or trays for $3.99. You can see they're very, very tiny, and it tells you on the box they have a snowflake one, a tree-shaped one, just little cubes, and then they also have a silicone ice ball tray. So there's a few different kinds, and they're $3.99 each. These are farmhouse crates. This says Merry Christmas on it. This has houses in a church. They're pretty big, and they are $14.99 each. Here they have a variety of holiday sippers. They come with the straw, and they are $4.99. I think they're like a plastic. And the designs are on the box, whatever's left up there. Those are the designs they come in. Here's your 4-piece set of flameless LED candles. It looks like they have white and maybe an off-white. Yes, and those are $9.99 for the set of 4. Here we have nutcrackers. They are $9.99 each, and as you can see, they have several different colors and several different designs. Here they have what's called paper glitter houses. Yeah, they're a paper that's coated with glitter. It almost has a texture of styrofoam with little trees, and those are $9.99 each. And on the box they show you a couple of different designs the houses come in. They had these last week, but they still have them. The Kirkton House scented wax melts for $1.99. and they have the different scents. The first snow, the winter balsam, the spiced chestnut, and the holiday cranberry. These are mercury glass, LED glass trees, and they're $14.99 each. Looks like they have a few different styles here. I'll try to get a picture on the box, but they are like a mercury glass. These are nice. These are metal tree-shaped candle holders, and it looks like they come in black or a gold color. And you can see they will hold a nice big candle. And they are $16.99 each. For $9.99, they have the wax warmers that you can put in. Your wax melts. And they have several different ones. This looks like macarons. And there's toy soldiers, there's a snowman, several different ones, and they are $9.99 each. Here are 60 by 84, or they have a 70-inch round, or a 60 by 104 oblong. I guess it depends on what is left, but they have one with gingerbread houses on it. That's cute. And I think this one has Christmas trees on it. There's a few different ones. Yeah. And those are all $9.99 each. Here's salt and pepper mill sets. And they are $14.99 for the set. They are electric. What does it say on it? I'm trying to read it. Oh, they have a built-in LED light. Easy one-button operation, and they take, it looks like 8 AAA batteries. I almost missed this. They have the NutriBullet personal blender, and that is $39.99. Here they have the holiday decorated throw pillows for $9.99 each. And this is cute. This is the gingerbread houses. And that's just the green and white houses at night. Of course, they have the truck. It shows you on the box the other ones they have. Candy canes and a ribbon. And there's one with Santa. So those are $9.99 each. Here they have the storybook and activity pads. They come in either Disney Princess, Minnie Mouse, Minecraft, Paw Patrol, and they are $5.99 each. Here's a Bluey juice bar deluxe playset for $14.99. Here are women's flannel pajamas. It says they have side pockets, an elastic waistband, a drawstring, button front closure, and they feel soft to your hand. And they come in sizes small to extra large, and there is 3 different designs. There's a red plaid, and there's this one up here that is black and white design, and I think, yes, there's a blue polka dot one here. Looks like there's a few of these left over from last week. They're the nostalgic tree candles. The tree is 2 pieces and there's a candle inside. And it looks like there's pink with little pink bows and the different shades of green, and they are $8.99. Looks like they still have some of the flannel Christmas sheet sets left. They have the King, which are $24.99 for the set, and they're 100% cotton. And they have the Queen for $19.99 for the set, and you can see they come in different designs. When I was here last week, these shelves were filled with all kinds of advent calendars. Looks like they may have just gotten these in, but most of them have been emptied out, but I'm sure they're going to get more of them in. Checking out the food aisle now, and this is an assortment of pretzel twists. Milk chocolate with red drizzle, white chocolate with crushed peppermint pieces, and dark chocolate with sprinkles. You get 12 of them in the bag or in the box for $6.99. Look at this. They have turkey stuffing flavored wavy potato chips for $2.19 a bag. I can't remember if my daughter bought those and said they were pretty good. I'm not sure. I'm debating. They have plenty of turkey and herb stuffing mix for you. And gee, let me see the price on those. 89 cents a box. And right next to it is all the chicken broth. And those are, let me see, what does that say? $2.35 for the box. So you're all set to make your stuffing. Here are chocolate covered almonds. It says candy cane chocolate covered almonds. Roasted almonds covered in dark and white chocolate with crushed candy canes, and they are $4.49. They have their bags of fresh cranberries in here from Twin Lake Cranberry, and they are 99 cents for the bag.
Through all these eggs, some of them got cracks in it.
The eggs are still $1.96 a dozen. The lady was just telling me you have to look in the boxes because some of them are cracked. They're stocked up on the Butterball turkeys. They're 97 cents a pound. So, you need a turkey, come on down. I don't know, I have never seen this before. They're Butterball, and they're a whole turkey, but it says no neck, no giblets, it's smoked. And it says fully cooked, and they're frozen. So, I don't know, I'm gonna have to investigate that further. I'm just curious. Of course, I'm not having Thanksgiving at my house. My daughter's hosting it, so I don't have to worry. These are interesting. They're apple streusel dessert pizzas, and they also have blueberry streusel dessert pizzas. It said ready in 12 to 16 minutes. And those are $4.99 each. I just got a new pizza maker in here a few weeks ago in the ALDI Finds aisle. Wonder if I should try one of these. We'll make it in the pizza maker and see how it comes out. They're dessert pizzas. Dangerous when you come in here. They still have the boneless spiral hams and then the spiral sliced honey smoked honey hams. And the spiral sliced half ham is $2.19 a pound. And the boneless spiral sliced ham is $3.95 a pound. I think that's what I'm going to be making for Christmas, but I'm not sure yet. So I hope you enjoyed our stroll down the ALDI Finds aisle. Maybe you saw something you liked there. So I want to thank you all for tuning in and watching. And I appreciate each and every one of you so much. You know I do. I always tell you I love you, and you know I do. So I will see you soon. Toodles!